Hello viewers, as you can see my Wi-Fi is connected but my YouTube is in offline. So how to make it online? To do that you have to go into your mobile settings and then you have to go into your date and time. So you have to make the date and time in present time. So let's make it in auto mode and then let's check, or you can make the date by manually in the present time. So let's check if it's working or not. So as I'm opening the YouTube app again, and here you can see the YouTube is in online again. If you like the video, please comment here and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.